guys, hope you're doing well. Just a quick video today on how to enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite. So you're going to go to your Epic Games and then go to your account and then go to password and security. Go down to the bottom where it says two-factor authentication and you have the choice of an app, an email and a text. Choose the email. Go to the email that you have set it for. Once you have done that, then you can enter the code that has been sent to the email. If it doesn't send, like mine didn't send, you can click resend and it will send it to that email. And once it's sent, you enter it in, click continue, and you're done. The next time you go onto Fortnite though, with your account, you'll have to enter a PIN. And then once you've done that, you should get the free boogie emote. I'll show you that emote now, the boogie down emote on my Xbox. Hope you've enjoyed the video guys. Stay tuned, see you on the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.